Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Wildlife Impulse. In this video we're gonna look at some camera traps. I ordered some stuff because I was a little bit bored. So I ordered this Browning Strike Force Pro XD. I bought it myself because my channel is far too small to get free stuff. But if you feel like sending me stuff, go for it. So this Browning is actually one of the #1 cameras on Trailcam Pro. And it's a decent price, so let's check it out what's inside. There's even a little manual, the camera trap, and a little strap over here. Well, the little camera, it's almost the size of a hand. Just compare it. And if you compare it with my other camera, the Bushnell review, you can see it's much smaller. So, first of all, this camera has two lenses, so it's a dual lens camera, and one is made for the day pictures, one is made for the night pictures. Actually, that means that this camera is making no sound when switching between day and night, which is an improvement. As I noticed, definitely with the camera like the Bushnell from back in 2013, this camera is definitely making a click when it changes, like when the filter is moving in front. It really feels like a camera though. What else can we see? So there's the motion detection. These are the infrared lights. It should be low glow infrared, which means it's still visible with the naked eye, but it also means there is more light available, so you get like better quality pictures. You can open it like this. You have like an LCD screen. It's a small one, but you can use it to first set up settings, check where your camera is aimed for, so you can actually check if it's positioned in the right way, and you can also like preview your footage. So even in the field you can have a very quick check. It's a very small LCD, so it's not best quality. It's still better to check it on the computer, but it's a good option to just have a quick check. Then on the bottom you have this SD card slot, and the batteries are actually here. There's a button here to eject, and then this is actually coming out. So you can add 6 AA batteries. I'm just using rechargeable batteries. I'll just put in the batteries. Another difference between this Browning camera and the Bushnell camera is that actually the Bushnell camera, there's space for like up to 12 batteries, I think. Yes, 12 batteries, but they work with 4 batteries, whereas this Browning camera needs 6 batteries. So there's a bit of a difference. So you just add it like this, slide it in, and if we turn it on, it should work. Let's see. On Browning, and you can actually see my face, and you can see it's counting down. So in 4 seconds it's gonna start taking pictures. But we go into the menu mode. You can choose to time-lapse, video, trail. So trail is picture. The downside of this camera is actually there is a no hybrid function, so you cannot put like first take a picture and then take a video. But this sensor is actually very good. So, and because the detection angle and the camera angle is kind of similar, so there's almost no false triggers according to reviews. I still need to check it out. And this camera has like, for now, one of the fastest triggers and one of the fastest recovery times as well. So it means like the delay between consecutive pictures. And so yeah, there's lots of options to look for. For example, if you go to the video, they actually can do 1080p 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. It's all 1080p. The video length you can have like from 5 seconds up to 2 minutes, with like steps of 5, 10, 20, 30 seconds, 1 minute and 2 minutes. But during the night the videos have a maximum length of 20 seconds, which might be a downside, but 20 seconds, it's still good enough. During the day, it takes multiple pictures. So for example, if you set it during the day, just to set up, make it like 1 minute videos. During the day, it will take 1 minute videos. During the night, it will take 20-second videos. Picture quality, you have 4 megapixels low, then 10 megapixels, 16 megapixels, and ultra is 24 megapixels. Then you can take just one picture with each trigger, but you can also have like the multi-shot standard and the rapid fire. The multi-shot standard means that it takes between 2 and 8 pictures with 2 seconds in between, whereas with the rapid fire it takes between 2 and 8 pictures, but I need to check. There's only 0.3 seconds in between the pictures, so it's basically kind of a time-lapse function. Which brings us to the next option. You also can put on a time-lapse function. I never used like a time-lapse function, but it just like at certain points in the day it takes a picture. It's great to like if you want to have an overview of a field, just to check if there's anything like in the distance outside of the range of the infrared. Then I'll just check the manual quickly. For the infrared, so you have power save, long range, and fast motion. So fast motions, I just checked on the internet, that means actually the shutter speed is going up, so you will have less blurry pictures. So that sounds like definitely for fast animals one of the better options. Then there is one other thing. You have this smart infrared. The smart infrared video, that means actually that whenever the sensor detects movement, it's still making a picture or videos. But for example, when a deer is standing still, it's not moving, so it will stop taking a video or a picture. This camera also has a motion test, so there's a little light that will go red when it's motion test. Okay, motion test. So you can see it flickering here. So I'm moving around. Just press OK again. Anything else I need to say? Oh yes, for the standing, normally you have this, you can just put it next to the tree and you're just putting some sticks and try to figure out the perfect angle. This Browning cameras, they actually have this new tool, so you can actually put it straight to a tree, and then you can actually adjust the angle and just fit it with this little screw. So then that's like this against the tree. You can change this around. Well, it's a very useful tool. The disadvantage is when you put it in a safety box, it's not really useful anymore, I think. I also bought like this safety box. I'll check that later, see how that works. There is space for a Python lock here. The downside is you can lock the camera, but it will not prevent people they can still open this and get the SD card. So I think the box is very useful, or find a way to make another padlock or anything around this thing. I already had a quick test in the garden. Let's have a look at my first footage with this Browning Strikeforce Pro XD, whole name, but it's from the hedgehog in the garden. I'm definitely gonna do some more testing in the future, put them more in the field, test out this further range, but at the moment I think I'm very happy with it. This hedgehog video is it's quite clear. I'm very happy with the quality. So I hope you like this video. I'll definitely gonna test out this one a bit more, and I'll definitely make another video out of this, and I'll add this to my camera trap collection with my Bushnell. And now I have this Browning camera, so my next camera trap compilation videos, this one will be included as well. So let's see what else we can get, and stay tuned, because this was not the only thing in my box that I ordered. So we'll see you soon.